Calling all Mixonites, sneakerheads, and tech fans, I am Nathen Mixon, and today we're going to talk about a brand new shoe that just dropped. We're diving into something really special. Adams plus MKBHD just dropped the new 251 lows. This is not the first, this is not the second, but the third iteration, but the first low top to come out of their epic partnership. If you're looking for a sneaker that blends in everyday comfort with forward-thinking tech-inspired designs, this is going to be the shoe for you. Here's the deal, Mixonites. Finding a sneaker that's going to check all the boxes: style, comfort, durability, sustainability. It's not going to be easy. You either sacrifice one for the other and usually end up with something that doesn't last. On top of that, you want to find something that's going to be versatile for people on the go and also for people such as myself who have that laid back lifestyle. I'm laid back, really, honestly. Adams and MKBHD have teamed up to create a sneaker that handles all of that and some. This shoe was inspired by Marques' own life, both on and off camera. It's designed for those who are always exploring, always creating, and doing more, whether that's in the studio or in the city itself. The upper is made of a bio leather from apple skin. Yup, apples. It's 100% vegan, zero waste, and super eco-friendly. If you're hungry, I don't recommend eating this. You got three color options here: the classic MKBHD black and red, a sleek black and blue, and a subtle black and gray for those who want something a little bit more low-key. Inside, you got the upper with the graphite lined insoles that are naturally antimicrobial. What does that mean? They help fight off odors and keep your feet feeling fresh. I personally don't have stinky feet. I don't remember anyone complaining about my stinky feet, but if I ever had stinky feet, I would hope that these would not be stinky shoes. Adams also has this internal sole that offers superior comfort, stability, and also durability as well. So your feet are happy whether or not you're standing for hours or, hitting the pavement on a day-to-day basis. Day-to-day basis. I was gonna get it on first try. The 8mm heel to toe drop is key here. It keeps your feet in the natural position, supporting the smooth forward roll when you're walking. And we can't forget the stretch laces. The sneaker flexes with your movements, making it a perfect fit whether you're running or just chilling. So I want you to notice something. 251, 251, 251, 251. Can you see that? That is an Easter egg from MKBHD itself. So all you super fans out there, you already know this is going to represent his first video, which lasted roughly 2 minutes and 51 seconds. It's a nod to how far Marques has come and how far you can go to as well. So if you are ready to step up your sneaker game with not only something that is stylish, but also built to last. And when I say built to last, I had these shoes since they first came out and they still are going strong. Head over to Adams, get you your sale. They're not going to last long. All these shoes are already sold out already. So you have the M251s lows or M251 lows. Make sure you grab your pair. All the links will be in the description. Stay inspired and I'll flex with you on the next one. Peace.